The Rufous crested coquette is a species of hummingbird found in South America. This species is native to South America and can be found in several countries, including Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. They typically inhabit subtropical or tropical montane forests and cloud forests, often at higher elevations. The conservation status of the Rufous crested coquette is considered to be of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The Rufous crested coquette is known for its exceptional agility and maneuverability in the air, making it one of the most skilled flyers among hummingbirds. Their elaborate courtship rituals and dazzling colors make them a sight to behold for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts lucky enough to witness their displays in the wild. The Rufous crested coquette is known for its striking and vibrant colors, particularly in the case of the male. The upper parts of the male Rufous crested coquette are a brilliant iridescent green, which can shine and change color when viewed from different angles. The most distinctive feature of the male is its rufous or chestnut-colored crest on the top of its head, which contrasts with the green plumage. The throat of the male is also brightly colored and varies from a mix of turquoise blue and green to a vibrant, deep blue. The upper parts of the female Rufous crested coquette are predominantly green, similar to the green coloration seen in the male. Unlike the male, the female lacks the rufous crest on its head. The throat of the female is typically white, lacking the vibrant and colorful throat of the male. Both male and female Rufous crested coquettes are beautiful birds, and the colorful plumage of the male, especially its turquoise blue and green throat, is a striking sight to behold. These vibrant colors are important for courtship displays and attracting mates in the world of hummingbirds. The Rufous crested coquette is a small hummingbird, and like most hummingbird species, its size and weight are relatively tiny compared to other bird families. The Rufous crested coquette measures around 7 to 9 centimeters in length from the tip of its beak to the end of its tail. The average weight of a Rufous crested coquette is around 2 to 3 grams. This makes them one of the lightest bird species in the world. As small as they are, Rufous crested coquettes are highly agile and have specialized adaptations that allow them to hover in midair and feed on nectar from flowers. Their small size and weight make them excellent flyers, allowing them to access nectar from delicate flowers that other larger birds cannot reach. The Rufous crested coquette is known for its exceptional agility and maneuverability in the air, making it one of the most skilled flyers among hummingbirds. Their elaborate courtship rituals and dazzling colors make them a sight to behold for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts lucky enough to witness their displays in the wild. Like many hummingbird species, Rufous crested coquettes are highly territorial and defend their feeding and nesting territories vigorously. Males, in particular, can be quite aggressive towards other males that intrude on their territory, engaging in aerial chases and displays to establish dominance. Rufous crested coquettes, like many hummingbirds, are not known for their extensive vocalizations. They produce soft and high-pitched sounds that can be described as chirps or twitters. These vocalizations are often used during interactions with other coquettes, especially during territorial disputes or courtship displays. The Rufous crested coquette's diet primarily consists of nectar from a variety of flowering plants. As a hummingbird species, it has a specialized feeding behavior that allows it to extract nectar efficiently from flowers. Their long, slender bills are adapted for probing deep into the flowers to reach the nectar. As they insert their bills into the flower, their tongues, which are equipped with tiny hair-like structures, lick up the sugary nectar. This high-energy nectar serves as their main source of nutrition. In addition to nectar, Rufous crested coquettes may also consume small insects and spiders as a supplementary source of protein. While nectar provides them with the energy they need for their high metabolic rate and constant hovering flight, the added protein from insects helps in supporting their growth, molting, and breeding activities. Their diet of nectar and occasional insects makes them important pollinators for many flowering plants in their habitat. As they feed on nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the process of plant reproduction. To fulfill their energy demands, Rufous crested coquettes often visit a wide variety of flowering plants throughout their range, ensuring they have access to a diverse and continuous supply of nectar. Their feeding behavior also plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystems they inhabit by promoting plant pollination and dispersal. Female Rufous crested coquettes are responsible for building the nests. They construct small, cup-shaped nests using various materials like plant fibers, moss, and spider silk. The silk helps in stretching the nest as the chicks grow, allowing for more space. The nests are typically well hidden and carefully placed in dense vegetation, often near the edge of the forest or in shrubs or trees. This helps protect the nest from predators and provides a safe environment for the young. While building and caring for the nest, females can be quite defensive and may exhibit aggressive behaviors towards intruders, including other birds. During the breeding season, male Rufous crested coquettes undergo a unique transformation in appearance. They grow specialized feathers on their head that form a magnificent crest, which they can raise and lower as part of their courtship displays. When trying to attract females, the male coquette will perform impressive aerial acrobatics, including rapid dives and loops, all while displaying their vibrant iridescent plumage to catch the light and create dazzling visual displays. After successful courtship displays and mating, the female will proceed with building the nest to prepare for egg-laying. The female lays a clutch of 1 to 2 eggs in the nest. The eggs are tiny and white, blending in with the nest material. The female is responsible for incubating the eggs. Incubation typically lasts for about 15 to 18 days until the eggs hatch. After hatching, the female continues to care for the chicks. The young hummingbirds are born blind and featherless, and they depend entirely on the mother for warmth and food. The chicks develop rapidly, and after about 3 weeks, they are ready to leave the nest. The female will continue to feed and protect them for some time after they have fledged. After fledging, the young hummingbirds may stay close to the mother for a period, learning essential survival skills and how to forage for food. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.